So today we're talking about the paddle latch. Is the way that we have it installed, is it wrong or is it right? So let's dig into this one. Pointing out the facts of the way that we have this paddle latch installed right now. If we had a dog and the dog were to come up and jump on the latch, what would happen? As I put down pressure on the handle, I'm causing the gate to remain shut. So if I had a dog or a toddler that was trying to push down, they're not going to be able to get out. But if my spring broke, the weight of the latch, gravity pulls it down. If the spring were to fail, it is now a fail open latch in this position. So all we did was we just undid a little bolt there, 1/2 inch head. We're going to slide it back on in the reverse position. So we flipped it. So we can already see that gravity is pulling it down. So in this position, it is a fail close. The spring is inactive right now and the gate is fail closed. What about that dog again? If we had that dog and the dog came and threw his paw right up on top of the latch, it is now going to open. The only way they're not going to be able to let themselves out is if you put a lock in there and you lock the latch closed. So then you're going to have to remove the lock every time you want to be able to go through that gate. It's 100% to your discretion. Whatever is best used for you and your application. So now we're going to go ahead and put the spring back in the position that we're in. So as we push down, the spring brings it back up, causing it to close. Now, as far as our customers, some of them like it in this position, but a lot of the other customers, they prefer it in the opposite position because they do have a dog or they do have little ones running around. And unfortunately, the dog and the kids are going to be able to let themselves out every day versus that spring. We haven't seen one break in a really long time. So there you have it. It's up to you, whichever way is best for your application. Now, if you want to see how to install cedar fence on a concrete pad, make sure and see that video right here. And if you want to see how to build horizontal cedar fence or a gate, make sure and see those 2 videos right here. And make sure to see links below for this kind of hardware. Stan with SWI. We are Wyoming's Fence Company, and you have a good dang day.